Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling channel points in your creator dashboard so the system can accept redemptions. This is required. Next, create a custom reward and assign a point cost that balances value versus frequency, for example 100 points. Once done, decide how the reward will trigger a sound, either manually when you approve redemptions or automatically by linking a bot or API. Make sure to keep file formats and trigger method in mind before moving to upload assets. Now you prepare the sound asset. Keep it short, 3 to 7 seconds, and export as MP3 or WAV so playback is reliable. Then upload that file to your chatbot or to a local folder that your streaming software can access. Once uploaded, map the channel points reward ID to that audio in your bot's integration settings, or create an OBS scene containing an audio source tied to the reward. This mapping is the core of automation, so verify file paths and permission settings while you work. Finish by thoroughly testing. Redeem the reward from a test account, or use your bot's simulate feature and watch for playback. If the sound is too loud or cuts off, adjust OBS or bot audio levels and add a small delay to avoid clipping. Audio ducking helps when voice competes with alerts. If nothing plays, make sure file paths are correct, the bot has channel points permission, the reward ID is mapped correctly, and no firewall or antivirus blocks local audio playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.